Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Will Miller, an AuroraCoins financial expert. Let me update you all about eToro's NFT platform. I hope you all know that NFTs or non-fungible tokens are digital assets that are unique and cannot be replaced. They are often used to represent items such as art, collectibles, and game items. NFTs are stored on a blockchain and can be bought, sold, or traded like any other cryptocurrency assets. The popularity of NFTs has exploded in recent months, with major platforms such as NBA Top Shot and Ethereum-based games such as Axie Infinity seeing huge success. This success is due to the fact that NFTs offer a new way to collect and trade digital assets. NFTs are also seen as a way to support artists and creators, as they can earn money from the sale of their work. eToro, a trading platform for NFTs, has launched a $20 million investment pool to purchase and support creators. The launch was announced at The Bass, a contemporary art museum in Miami, on Thursday. The fund is part of eToro's new project, eToro.art, which aims to support NFT entrepreneurs and brands. The new fund, which will allow investors to invest in the cryptocurrency market through eToro in the United States, is part of a larger NFT strategy for the firm, according to Mark Hurst, eToro's U.S. Managing Director. eToro announced the launch of its new digital art initiative, which includes well-known projects such as the Bored Ape Yacht Club, CryptoPunks, and World of Women. eToro also announced that it would be investing $10 million in new NFT businesses and brands that wish to bring their new NFT initiatives to market this year. This move comes as the firm looks to capitalize on the growing popularity of NFTs. In the last several months, major brands from diverse sectors, including Coca-Cola, McDonald's, Nike, Gucci, the National Football League, and others, have started incorporating NFTs into their marketing campaigns.